Hi YouTube. So I'm making this video to show you guys my hair that I got from Diamond Virgin Hair Company. I have in a 26, a 22, and an 18, and this is what the hair looks like. I made this hair into a U-part wig. I mentioned in my other video that I was going to color the hair because it was a little bit darker than my hair, but as you can see, it looks like it's blending in really well. So as you can see, my hair, this is my hair, and this is the Peruvian hair, but it's not bad. It still looks really cute. I don't think I'm gonna color it. I don't know how to color hair. I know there's millions of videos on coloring hair. I'm just scared because I pay a lot of money for this hair and I don't want to mess it up. So it's going to stay this color unless I take it to the salon and let them do it. But anyways, the hair. I'm going to show you guys a clip of me co-washing the hair and what I used when I co-washed it. It did wave up just a little bit, but not, you know, that bad. Just a little bit. You just see it really on this side. But so far so good. I'm really loving this hair. I've been getting a lot of compliments. I'm going to show you guys how long it is on me. I am 5'3" and my longest length is 26 inches. So yeah, that's all I have to say so far about this hair. Like I said, I am loving this hair. It was well worth the money so far. So yeah, if anything change, or you know, if I start getting a lot of shedding, I will let you guys know. But I did get a little bit of shedding when I co-washed the hair, but it wasn't that bad, just a little bit. And I did cut my wefts, but for me to cut them, I have not been getting any like, you know, shedding at all. So yeah, no shedding. So yeah, I'm like really loving this hair. So I'll be back to show you guys, you know, within a week or so of how the hair is doing. So until then, bye.